I was standing at an intersection in my career. I didn't want to stay employed for the rest of my life. I just didn't know what are the right tools to go by.
أول شيء أنا كنت قاطع بستيج بحياتي قبل ما أتعرف عصام. I was depressed, I didn't have confidence, I had trust issues.
I had no idea one could carry this much baggage from their lives, from their childhood, and actually he gave me a new perspective of life. He helped me rationalize all those fears and confidence issues.
I took this training session with Sam back in 2017 the first time. Maybe a little bit before that. Sam has been a very, very positive influence in my life to take my personal decisions, professional decisions. I also enrolled to do my master's degree, and that was under Sam's blessing, I would say.
قعدت مع سام. At first I was like إنه أوكي لايف كوتش شو بده يعمل مدري شو. بعدين لقيت صراحة سام has the ability ليعمل أشياء كثير قوية عن جد. يعني now I have confidence. هلا عم بقدر أنا أفتح فيديو أحكي. من قبل I didn't.
Come on, champ! Come on, champ! Come on, champ!
You understood and clarified my thoughts and beliefs, and the tools that you have given me were very insightful and very helpful. It had helped me, or it has helped me basically, to believe in myself more, be able to nurture and grow my capabilities.
Everything you've told me, everything you've taught me, you made me believe in myself. You gave me the confidence to start making videos online and things like that, man. Like, I couldn't have done it without you. I appreciate it so much. You're the best. Honestly, I can't even thank you enough, man. So I just wanted to give the shout out and just say thanks, bro. Thanks for everything. I appreciate it, man. Go out there and keep killing it. Keep changing people's lives, and you're the best.
I will always be thankful of having him in my life and for his guidance.
And always remember, Sam's got your back.